My name's Tyler Richard, and this is my screencast for the group project. For this application, the languages and frameworks that we used are Node.js, Foundation, Angular, jQuery, JSON, JavaScript, and MongoDB for our database. And basically, the goal for this app was to block pop-ups and phishing websites that would occur when you click on any of these links to watch a movie off of a website called Movie8k. And our application will also allow you to filter what websites that stream the movies you want to be displayed in the browser. So based on what your filters are, either any of these links would appear or disappear. You can toggle those on and off. And to accomplish this, we made a Google Chrome extension called Hater Blocker, as you can see up here in the top right. And so when you click it, this is like the login screen, the main page, and you can either log in with Facebook, or you can register with an account and then log in with it. So just for demo purposes, I'll create an account. And right now, if we go to MongoDB and look at the database, it'll be empty. So we'll just check that out real quick. And as you can see, it's empty. But when we create a username, we'll just name it like test. The password will be test. So now that we created a new user, I logged us in, and this is the page that comes up after you log in. But now, if we go to the database, it gives us his default ID, and then the salt, and the hash for the password, and then the username. And since we don't have any filters turned on yet, it's an empty array. So, and then every time, the only bad thing is every time you click out of the extension, it logs you out, so you gotta log back in, which isn't a big deal. Since the password and username are correct, it logged us in, and now we can add a filter. So like, let's say we only want vidAG to display. You have to type it word for word, and it's case sensitive, so we might change that for version 2. But anyway, so once you hit submit, it displays there, and you can turn it on or off just by clicking this. So let's just leave it on for now. When you hit toggle filter, everything displays or goes away, but when you hit it again, only vidAG shows up. So maybe that's the only website that you like watching movies off of. If you refresh the page, they all come back, and you can also add multiple filters. So, and it also saves. So when you come back, it remembers your filters. So let's say you want to only watch vidbool also. So you type vidbool, submit, turn both of these on. Toggle filters, they all go away, but once you hit it again, they all show. So I think you get the point. Now to demonstrate the pop-ups, usually when you click on a link, it'll like redirect you to another website, a phishing website, in another tab, and it just comes up with a bunch of JavaScript alerts. And I figured that it was happening because of a script tag, so I went to an inspect element. This is my portion of the project that I did. I did the Facebook API, and I also did the disabling the pop-ups. So, but if you go to the inspect element and then you look through here, they have a bunch of these like script tags. So I was like basically looking through all these script tags, and then I noticed when you click this image right here, it also usually brings you to another phishing website. But this is actually where the movie's hosted on. So this isn't a pop-up or anything. This is the actual movie. But so I noticed when you usually click this, it would bring you to another phishing website. So what I did was I clicked it, then I realized usually there's a script tag right in here. So I just used simple jQuery to remove the script tag, and then that disabled the pop-ups. So yeah, you can go through the website without experiencing any pop-ups and watch your movies easily and without the annoyance of having the pop-ups. So just again, if you go here, there's no script tag, but I'll actually disable the Chrome extension so you can see where the script tag would normally be. So we'll just delete this so that way the script tag shows up. And now when we refresh it, the script tag should be there. Yeah, see, the script tag's right there. So now if we go back and so now we got the extension back again. When you refresh it, the script tag is no longer there. And also, I should probably show you the filters in the database. Well, I guess since I deleted the extension, it removed my filters, so let's just add some. What was it? Vid AG and vid bull, I believe. So now if we go to our database, it should show the filters. Yeah, see, I accidentally duplicated it, but it shows you the filters there. So that's it for my screencast. Thank you.